channel. I am back with another video, and as you can see by the title down below, I'm gonna be upcycling clothing pieces, and sobrang excited ako to show you guys this video because we're gonna turn an old top or old tops into new ones. And yung isa pa nga dito is very antique because it's my mom's old top. And I know that I told you guys we're gonna be doing a thrift flip, but I haven't decided yet kung anong gusto kong gawin dun sa dalawang hukay things that I found, and ko pa kayang gumawa ng something na medyo complicated, so I just want to practice first and try it out onto simple tops. Hindi gagamitan na masyado ng mga complicated na pananahe at pag-iisip kung paano siya pagdidikit-dikit. If you wanna see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell beside it, and be notified when I post new videos. Be part of the GPEX squad. And without further ado, let's move on with the video. Alright, so let's start first with the blue top, which is my mom's old top. As you can see, that is what it looks like. So, para lang siyang button down with collar and 3/4 siya. So, what you are seeing now is the illustration of how we are gonna do it. So, you can see the black lines or the black broken lines, and that represents those parts that we're gonna cut, and the white lines are the ones that we're gonna sew. So, makikita nyo dyan, I'm just gonna cut the bottom part of the top, making it a crop top, and then I also cut the neckline para maging siyang cardigan since collared nga tong top na to. And that's basically it. Sobrang simple lang. Now, I'm gonna show you how I did it. So, the first thing that I'm doing is drawing hanggang saan ko siya gustong upitin. And nagkamali ako dito kasi masyado siyang maikli, and also hindi ko naisip na, nga pala, maggagawa nga pala ako ng hem. So, kailangan kong mag-leave ng at least 1 inch or 2 inches para dun ko tapahiin, pero nakalimutan ko ngayon. So, that's what it looks like now. Sobrang crop niya. And now, what I am doing is I'm actually putting safety pins dun sa tinupi kong bottom part. As you can see, parang almost half an inch lang siya. So, I am putting safety pins para hindi siya mahirap tahiin later on. We are now gonna sew the hem. As you can see, since beginner lang ako, very zigzaggy pa yung ginagawa ko. By the way, guys, this sewing machine is really helpful. Kasi, ayan, sobrang liit niya lang, very handy. Hindi siya nagtitake up ng much space on your house. So, kahit saan mo lang siya ilapag. And, ayan, sobrang helpful niya. And now you can see, that's what I did. And nga, sabi sa inyo, sobrang zigzag niya pa. And there are a lot of failed parts. Now, hindi nyo nakita sa illustration kasi, cut yung pagka-picture ko. I actually cut the sleeve. Konti lang, dun, yung mismo tahi niya lang, kinot ko lang kasi sobrang awkward ng, ng pagkaputol niya. Since it's 3/4, I just cut it unto my liking. Now, I'm just eyeballing everything, so I'm not actually measuring it. So what you can see now is me drawing the neckline that I want for my cardigan. And of course, I'm connecting it on the back part, and hindi naman natin pwedeng iwan yung collar sa likod. Now, it's time to cut it. And then what we're gonna do next is to simply fold it again, and then use safety pins to hold the fold together, and then sew a hem around the neckline, and we're basically done with this top. course, I'm such a failure. So as you can see, there are areas that I wasn't able to. So ayan. But it's not perfect, but it's nice. I did my best. It's my first time, so voila, we already have a blue top.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around.
So we are now moving on to this red top. This is actually mine, and ayoko yung itsura niya sa pagsuot ko siya. It's very, very small for me. So, I decided na dapat ipapamigay ko na lang siya. But I think I saw something on Pinterest na upcycle niya rin yung parang polo top niya into something like. So, here is the simple illustration that I want to show you guys for you to understand it better. So, as you can see, again, I want to crop everything. So, I'm gonna cut the bottom part and of course, hem that. And I also cut the sleeves para siyang maging racer back. The second picture actually has a white line on the sides of the top. That's because I actually sewed that, and later on you will see and you will understand it better. So, let's start. I am starting by again lining, and ito medyo binabaan ko na siya kasi ayoko siyang maging super crop top. Now, what you guys are seeing is me tracing itong crop top na nabili ko from Shopee kasi gusto kong gawing parang racer back nga yung likod niya. Pero yung back part kasi nitong crop top na to is super narrow and ayoko ng ganun. So, yung front part yung tinrace ko and ayan siya. Ayan, ina-eyeball ko lang talaga yan and I'm not measuring anything with that. So, ayan. So, for the front part, I want it to have like a bigger ganito. Kaya kung makikita nyo on the video, that tinitrace ko lang nakapantay ng likod is this part, but this one, I want it thicker compared to the back na mas manipis, mas pa-racer back siya. But, unfortunately, I failed doing that. So, ayan siya guys. Later on, you will see me cutting that. Before that, let us put safety pins on these folds para hindi siya maalis, and we're gonna hem the bottom part of the top first. And now, what I'm gonna do is to cut the sleeves. And sabi ko sa inyo, ang pinagpantay ko lang na part is sa kilikili. So, maghiwalay ko yan kinot. This is the moment na na-realize ko. Fudge, hindi ko alam. Hindi siya pantay. So, what I did there is, tinuloy ko lang siya. Since hindi siya pantay, like, hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko siya papantayin pag tinahi ko siya. So, what I did is, kinot ko na lang siya. So, pareho ng itsura ng cut ng pagka-racer back, yung front and back. So, sabi ko sa inyo, again, i-explain ko lang na mas maayos. I want the back part of the top, yung mas mas chaser back yung dating, yung mas kita yung shoulder blades. But unfortunately, ayun nga, ang ginawa ko is, so mas malaki yung tinira ko dito, pero hindi ko alam, hindi ko na-gets kung paano yun gagawin. So, nag-fail ako. So, ayan, naging pantay na lang siya. And as you can see, mas konti na lang yung natirang space here. Now, what you guys are seeing right now is what I'm talking about earlier. So, I actually tried it on, and then while trying it on, nilagyan ko ng bobby pins until the point na gusto ko siyang sikipan, and I'm just sewing it from the outside. Doing it on the other side as well. So, pag tinatahi ko pala siya pabaliktad, or nasa labas yung bad side of the clothes. So that's it. So we already now have a top, and this is what it looks like.
They wanna be and all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.